Hey guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. I thought this would be a great video to introduce you to some smaller home decor styles that you may or may not have heard of. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go. Alright, we're gonna kick this off with Afrobohemian, or Afrohemian. It's a home decor style where rich African heritage meets the free-spirited essence of boho style. This look is all about bold patterns, earthy textures, and a mix of cultural influences that tell a story. So think woven baskets, mud cloth pillows, rattan furniture, and plenty of greenery. The color palette? Warm neutrals like terracotta, deep browns and creamy whites, accented with vibrant pops of gold, mustard, or rich jewel tones. Afrohemian spaces really embrace individuality, layer in handcrafted pieces, vintage finds, and globally inspired textiles for that effortlessly curated vibe. You don't have to be a certain ethnicity or race of people to enjoy this style. This can just be for someone who enjoys and appreciates the beauty of African culture and African style. And if you want to bring that into your home, this style is for you. So if you're ready to bring Afro boho magic into your space, start with statement textiles, unique art, and natural elements. And watch your home transform into a soulful retreat. Next up, let's talk about Witchy goth. Dark, mysterious, and full of enchanting charm, Witchy goth home decor is all about creating a moody, mystical atmosphere with a touch of vintage elegance. Think deep, rich colors like black, deep purple, forest green, and blood red, paired with antique-inspired furniture, ornate mirrors, and plenty of candlelight. Velvet, lace, and aged wood add texture, while elements like dried herbs, skulls, tarot cards, and celestial motifs bring the magic. Whether you go full gothic castle or subtle witchy vibes, this style is about embracing the dark and the divine in a way that feels uniquely yours. Up next, dark farmhouse. Now, dark farmhouse home decor is where cozy rustic charm meets bold, moody elegance. Imagine the warmth of traditional farmhouse elements, distressed wood, shiplap, and vintage accents paired with really deep dramatic hues like charcoal, navy, forest green, and really rich espresso brown. Black metal fixtures, aged leather, and antique-inspired furniture bring a sense of history, while warm lighting and plush textures still keep the space inviting. This style is perfect for those who love the cozy appeal of farmhouse but crave a more sophisticated, dramatic edge. It's rustic, it's refined, and effortlessly timeless. Now, this style is really good for those people that like farmhouse, but in a way just got sick of it. You remember at one point, farmhouse was everywhere, shiplap was everywhere, and it was really kind of like overdone. But this style is for the people that like it, but just want a new twist on it. So here's one I'm so excited to tell you about. It was one that I honestly hadn't heard about. I don't know about you all. This is Brutalist home decor. Now it's all about raw, unapologetic style, so think concrete walls, exposed steel, and minimal ornamentation. This design embraces bold geometric shapes, industrial textures, and a monochromatic palette of grays, blacks, and really deep neutrals. It's not about perfection by any means. It's about celebrating the beauty of unfinished raw materials and functional design. To warm it up, add soft lighting, textured fabrics, or even a pop of greenery here and there. Brutalism isn't just a design choice, it's a statement. It's for those who love modern, edgy, and architectural spaces that feel powerful and still artistic. This really reminds me of industrial. I like this style a lot. Ethereal home decor is like stepping into a dream, soft, airy, and effortlessly elegant. This style is all about light, flowing fabrics, soft neutrals, and subtle iridescence that creates a sense of calm and serenity. So think sheer curtains that dance in the breeze, delicate chandeliers, and furniture with organic sculptural forms. Pastel hues, warm whites, and touches of gold or pearlescent accents really bring a celestial glow. Layer in natural elements like marble, silk, and soft woods for a grounded yet heavenly feel. Ethereal decor transforms your space into a tranquil escape, light, graceful, and simply enchanting. Cluttercore home decor is all about embracing the beauty of organized chaos. It's a maximalist dream, layering colors, textures, and personal treasures to create a space that feels cozy, that feels lived in, and full of personality. Think shelves overflowing with books, vintage trinkets, mismatched patterns, and an eclectic mix of furniture that really tells a story. It tells your story. There's no such thing as too much in cluttercore, like the term just does not exist. It's all about surrounding yourself with items that bring you joy and spark interest. They spark memories. The thing about cluttercore is that you can walk around your room, walk around your house, and every single thing that you pick up, it just reminds you of something, a person, a place, a memory. The key is to curate, not just collect, so your space feels intentional rather than just being overwhelming. If you love a home that feels like a warm hug, cluttercore might be your perfect vibe. Now, I will say there are some people that can't stand this style, but I think it's cute. Here's one I was really excited to bring you, and it's also going to be the last one on our list. Welcome to Grandpa Chic. So Grandpa Chic home decor is all about nostalgia, comfort, and a touch of old school charm. Imagine a cozy library corner with worn leather armchairs, vintage rugs, dark wood furniture, and plenty of warm, earthy tones. It's a mix of antique finds, heirloom style pieces, and classic patterns like plaid, herringbone, and florals. So layer in some brass accents, moody lighting, and shelves filled with books, pipes for decor, of course, and collected knickknacks to complete the look. It's sophisticated yet lived in, like stepping into your stylish grandpa's den, but with a really modern twist. If you love a timeless elegance with a cozy intellectual vibe, Grandpa Chic might be your perfect aesthetic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learning about some lesser known home decor styles. Let me know down below which ones are your favorite and which ones you would be brave enough to try. If you want to see some more videos, check out one of these on the right or the left, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.